How to flatten only some dimensions of a numpy array. Is there a quick way to subflatten or flatten only some of the first dimensions in a numpy array? For example, given a numpy array of dimensions 50, 100, 25, the resultant dimensions would be 5000, 25.
Take a look at numpy.reshape.
A slight generalization to Alexander's answer. numpy.reshape can take -1 as an argument, meaning total array size divided by product of all other listed dimensions. For example, to flatten all but the last dimension.
A slight generalization to Peter's answer, you can specify a range over the original array shape if you want to go beyond 3-dimensional arrays. For example, to flatten all but the last 2 dimensions. Edit, a slight generalization to my earlier answer, you can, of course, also specify a range at the beginning of the reshape too.
numpy.stack is perfect for this situation. I prefer to use stack or stack over reshape because reshape just scans through the data and seems to brute force it into the desired shape. This can be problematic if you are, for example, going to take column averages. Here's an illustration of what I mean. Suppose we have the following array. We apply both methods to get an array of shape, 3, 8. However, if we look at how they have been reshaped in each case, the stack would allow us to take column sums that we could also have calculated from the original array. With reshape this isn't possible.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.